Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lavita AI coin. Ticker symbol is Lavita. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Lavita Space AI is the name of the token. Lavita is the ticker symbol. And it was just announced that this coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Gate.io. So all you would have to do is download Gate.io from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and this token will be listed, it says here, December 8th at 11 a.m. UTC time on Gate, and then you would just trade your USDT for the Lavita token by searching Lavita in the trade section. So December 8th, 11 o'clock UTC time, it goes live. There is an event before that. They have the Gate Startup event. You can check that out on Gate's Startup Twitter, which is at @GateIO_startup. And you'll find this brand new listing announcement talking about the airdrops they're doing with the startup and then their listing date. And then it has links to token information. So it says this is a TNT20 token with a max total supply of 8 billion tokens. They do have a web page and a full white paper linked. So it says, the first private health data marketplace powered by AI, blockchain, and you. Interesting. So they have a huge 28-page white paper. Privacy preserving health and genomics data marketplace powered by artificial intelligence and blockchain. So, they go through the whole history of data ownership, individual data ownership, data privacy, advancements in AI, NLP technologies, the challenge of managing personal genomic and health data, if you want to learn all about that. But let's skip down to info about the Lavita platform, a decentralized health data marketplace leveraging blockchain, AI, and preserving privacy technologies. Lavita platform brings together 3 technologies, namely distributed blockchain infrastructure, AI, and privacy-preserving computing, and implements a fully decentralized data marketplace. So blockchain and smart contracts enable a marketplace that incentivizes data contributors to share their data while protecting their ownership of data. The use of blockchain technology removes the middlemen in the conventional data marketplace, lowers the cost of data curation and medical research, and introduces an incentive mechanism that encourages users' participation to contribute their private data and receive rewards. Lavita platform incentivizes individuals and healthcare institutions to share healthcare data and get rewarded with a new TNT20 Lavita token built on the Theta blockchain. This token will be utilized not only for users sharing data, but also for offering storage and computation capabilities. This will be enabled by the Theta Edge network, the decentralized blockchain infrastructure providing secure distributed data storage, Theta Edge Store, computation, and more. So AI-powered tools ensure that data miners, institutions, and data contributors can find quality data on Lavita and build novel applications on this platform. These tools are implemented by unique techniques for data validation and include a semantic search engine with an in-domain knowledge about healthcare and biomedicine. The semantic search engine aims to not only find keywords, but determine the intent and contextual meaning of search queries by users and help them achieve the goal of finding the right information at the right time. AI-aided disease prediction has undergone significant development in recent years by improving the diagnosis approaches, supporting clinical decisions, and reducing healthcare costs. Recently, machine learning and deep learning approaches have been applied to clinical predictive modeling with numerous successes. The primary dataset for predictive modeling in the clinical area today is in form of electronic health records, EHR, which offers rich and well-structured information that reflects the disease progression of each patient and is one of the most valuable resources for healthcare analysis. So Lavita platform will be able to utilize EHR primary datasets and various other healthcare-related data types. Examples would be genomic, survey, and clinical. And data modalities, examples of that would be text, image, and audio, combined with AI-powered models and algorithms, including natural language processing, NLP, and natural language understanding, NLU methods, to build applications and address different needs for individuals and healthcare institutions. So they also offer, the third thing is privacy-preserving computing ensures end users' data remains private during the computation phase of statistical machine learning. The key to privacy-preserving computing lies in the power to enable data sharing and analysis among different subsystems and entities without exposing data to any unauthorized third-party system. So the Lavita platform ensures full privacy-preserving computing by implementing a trusted execution environment, TEE, such as Intel Software Guard Extensions, SGX, which is a hardware-based memory encryption system that isolates specific application code and data in memory. So they give examples of how all these things work, and then they have very extensive information about the entire platform. If you want to check out their 28-page white paper with very tiny print, you could find it on their webpage, lavita.ai. They have a roadmap on there, Discord, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. You can also stake the coins right on their webpage. So yes, this is on the Theta blockchain. You can check out their Theta scan at explore.thetatoken.org. You can just search this token on there. And it's getting this brand new Gate Central Exchange listing very soon. The exact date was what? December 8th, 11 a.m. So check out Gate, check out this token. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.